Greetings, speculators. There's a little company that I like to follow called Chariot Oil and Gas. I like to follow Chariot because they've been trading at a large discount to their cash values. They've got projects in highly prospective oil exploration fields offshore Africa, trying to make a new big oil discovery. And the management's quite conservative at spending money. The guys like to use other people's money to test their theories. They like to pick up the projects and get someone else smarter than them to come in with larger amounts of money to test their projects. And so I've been bidding on Sterling Energy the last little while, and I haven't been able to buy any because maybe I'm just too cheap. But recently the thing was kind of 8 pence. This is British pounds we're talking about, pence, so it would be 0.08 British pounds, or 8 pence is how the British market works when you're bidding on stocks. You confuse Americans or others coming from outside that realm. And then recently they got their project extended in Mauritania, and there's a new gas find that happened in Mauritania. And their share price started taking off, going from this kind of 8 pence up to where it is now at 12 pence. It's a pretty good percentage move. They were 60% trading at like 60% of cash value or something like that before, and now they've got a market cap of 31 million pounds. And if I just put that into Google, it's about the same as 49 million US dollars. And they do their books in US dollars, so their cash is in US dollars, and they've got about 50 million, just over 50 million US dollars kind of cash values last time they posted financials on their books. So they probably spent a little bit of that by now. So they're trading at about cash values now. They're not trading at a discount to cash like I was saying before, because their share price has gone up a bunch in the last 2 weeks or so, especially in the last week. So I've been bidding for it, and I raised the bid a little bit and the price goes up, and I raised my bid a little bit more and the price goes up. So where lots of people would just keep raising their bid and buy that thing, I don't think there's anything that time sensitive on chasing this one. Maybe I'm wrong and this is the one that runs away from me, but I'm going to keep bidding and hoping that the price will come back down into my bids. And so I'll try to keep you updated with that along the way. If you're interested in these kinds of blow-by-blow actions on these little speculative companies, or learning more about specifically Chariot Oil and Gas, I suggest you go to Chariot Oil and Gas's website and sign up for their news releases, as well as go to ProsperousAdventure.com. I'll put a link in the screen as well, to go to ProsperousAdventure.com and look at my commentary and updates on Chariot Oil and Gas, and as well as sign up to this YouTube channel to get updates as I make them along the way. Thank you for listening.